Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one drop dead gorgeous Shelby recreation, guys. She's a GT500 recreation with a 428 cubic inch, dual force sitting on top. She's got air conditioning, and it is drop dead gorgeous. Wait till you check it out. I'm gonna love showing you this car, man. Look at that chrome. We got the driving lights in there. Man, those stripes are buried under the clear. She is gorgeous. Look at that paint. Check out those Shelby wheels, wrap with those BFGs. The body lines are looking sweet on that door. Just beautiful. And check out the interior. Look inside there. We got the wood Shelby steering wheel in there. Of course, it's a 4-speed hooked up to a top loader. Got that custom center console in there, seat belts front and rear. We've got the roll bar in here, looking sweet. Of course, it's a fold down back seat. Just beautiful. Look at all the chrome on the dash. That wood steering wheel, I just love it. We've got the rally pack there underneath the dash. It's got an aftermarket stereo in it. She is a beauty. Even cup holders in this Shelby, guys. She's gorgeous. When you look down the side of it, you can see the quality of the paint work is off the chart. All the chrome here looking good. We got the duals coming out the back there. And look at the snake right there. Looking sweet. Get inside the trunk here. We got speakers in the trunk. Batteries mounted in the trunk here. You can see everything inside here is finished off real nice, just absolutely beautiful. You can see the, I already told you about the battery. It says the battery switch is underneath the car behind the rear tire here. Look down the side of this thing. Straight as an arrow, man. Absolutely gorgeous. One thing cool about these Mustangs, they look like they're going fast sitting still, man. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this car. Right now we have a little over 200 cars in stock, and we own every one of them, so you can bet we spend the time and check them out before we buy them. We get underneath them, under the hood, in the trunks, we check them all out. Now you can check us out on YouTube, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're always posting new stuff. We bring in between 40 and 50 new units every month, and I'm picking out every one of them. I've got about 35 years in the business, and I'm going to use all of those years to help you pick out your dream. Let's take this recreation of the GT500 for a ride. We got dual fours, 428 cubic inches, ready to ride. I tell you what, Carroll Shelby knew what he was doing when he built this machine. I tell you, these things are sweet, guys. Love me some Mustang. We got 4 speeds. We got 2 4 barrels sitting on 428 cubic inches. Listen to this music. Music to my ears. And we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. We will explain to you how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Also, if you need help with financing, no problem whatsoever. We got about 3 different bankers we work with on a daily basis. can help you out. You can see down here on the dash, the speedo's working, the tack is working. We got the rally pack down here in the center. Looks like it's got the amp meter down there, and it looks like oil pressure too. It does have an aftermarket radio in it. Of course, I never listen to the radio. I like to listen to the exhaust and them tires squealing. Love the Shelby steering wheel. Wood steering wheel, so cool. Now, we ship about 95% of our stuff sight unseen all over the world. But we do love it when our customers come in. So if you have the time and the means, please come on in. We'd love to meet you. And if you happen to see Tom or I at a car show, come on up. We'd love to meet you. Now we're coming up on our shop here, and we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can check it out on the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna see what's making the power. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Mustang. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this GT500 recreation, and it is beautiful under here too. Brand new tank, brand new exhaust, drop downs look good. Shut off for the batteries right here where it's easy to get at. I don't know if I mentioned the exhaust is brand new. You can see that. Traction bars here, the brakes, guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. It does have drum brakes on the back. Ford 9-inch housing here, right around a 330 gear. It is posi. New mufflers also. Frame's good. You can see the primer just like it came from the factory. Floorboards are looking sweet under here. Everything looking good. Looks like we got some reinforcing going on here where they put the traction bars. They did a beautiful job on that. Pinch welds are looking good here. Frame up front also looking good. You know, on these Mustangs, normally these are all crushed down from all the years of floor jacks and everything, guys being underneath these cars. These look good. It's got the Toploader 4-speed trans just like it would have from the factory. Looking good here. It's got the stock clutch mechanism. It does have power steering. This is the stock power steering mechanism. It does have a high torque starter on it. That's an aftermarket unit. Now this is the Shelby style oil pan, extra capacity here. Everything under here is looking sweet. It does have disc brakes up front. This is stock disc brakes that these cars would have come on. It looks like it has new lower and upper control arms, which include new ball joints. Everything up here is looking nice and clean, nice and neat. Beautiful restoration on the car. I tell you what, I'd be proud to put mirrors underneath this car and show it off. And then these Shelby wheels, man, I love these wheels, making this car look sweet. I got the size right here, 225/70 15s. Look at that paint work, GT500, man. That's what everybody wants. Everybody's talking about it, especially today with that new car coming out. I always try to get back in here, feel around. I don't feel any patchwork. All I feel is nice smooth metal there. That's a good front fender right there. Always look at the pinch weld on every car. Every car's got a pinch weld. Good telltale sign whether the car's in good shape or not. This pinch weld's looking sweet. Out back here, again, wheel doesn't have a mark on it. And the tire is a 225/70 15 out back here. And again, look at that finish work right down to the bottom edge, looking good. Well, let's get under the hood and check out the power. All right, under the hood here, we got an FE block that's been bored, and it's got a 428 crank in it. So we got 428 cubic inches of power here with dual force sitting on top. We got an upgraded late model AC pump on there, mounted right in the stock location. We got power steering, power brakes, looks like an aluminum water pump. We got a late model, or at least a newer style alternator on there. We've got a newer style radiator in here. At least this looks like a rebuilt unit here. Looks like a Ford Moco hose here also. Firewall's nice and clean. Of course, it's got a fiberglass hood on it because it is a Shelby or a Shelby recreation, just like they had back in the day. You always want to check out these aprons on the Mustangs. This is the first thing to go on the Mustangs. So always look at these aprons on a Mustang, both sides. Always check out your shock towers on a Mustang also. Now normally the battery would be mounted right there by the solenoid. The battery on this car is in the trunk. You've got your driving lights here. You can see all the plumbing here for our air conditioning is here, and your condensers here. Everything about this car, neat as a pin. They did a beautiful job on the restoration. A lot of upgrades on this car. I mean, it is pretty much better than it would have been back in the day. Guys, call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.